guys, welcome back to RJ Medley. It's Riley here, and today is Mask It Monday. So, I have a little extra thing for Mask It Monday today. But first, I want to show you this. So this is the mask that we have today. It is the red clay mask. It draws out impurities, reduces oil, and clears skin. Our little extra thing is this, which is kind of like my skincare that I use. This is body wash, but it's really good for your face. It's shea butter and neem. And I thought the little patterns went together well, and I wanted to show you guys what I thought of this product. So that is what today will be. With that being said, let's go on and enjoy this video. Okay, so this red clay mask I got for my 14th birthday. My mom got it, but I do kind of know where she got it from. We have this store called the Vitamin Shop, and it had this in it. But if you don't have like a store like that, then you can just go to Walmart and there's one. It's a different brand, but it's the same thing. But I don't remember what brand it's from. But this is the red clay mask. So because this is the red clay mask, you have to kind of it's like powder, obviously clay, and you have to mix it up. So I'm gonna read the instructions to you. But first, this little handy face mask. That's a lot of face mask in here for if you wanted to use this a lot. This was $10, I believe. I'm pretty sure it was $10. I know the price and stuff and where it was from because I really had been wanting it and I saw it and they got it for me for my birthday. So let's get on with this. Also, right before we do this face mask, I just wanted to say that I got a 4th ear piercing and I love it. Okay, the ingredients on this, it says take 2 teaspoons of the clay and add a little warm water to make a spreadable paste. So I'm gonna put it in this little cup to mix it up because, yeah. And then it says apply that for 15 to 20 minutes and let that dry. It might take a little longer. I've tried this one time, and not my full face, just right before I left to do something, and it took a little bit longer, but yeah. So I'm going to open this up, and I have my little teaspoon, and I'm just going to take 2 of these and put them in this little white container. So just a second, let me get this set up. Okay, I'm just going to put 1 in, and then 2 in. So now that I have both of those in there, I'm just going to add the tiniest bit of water. I added a tiny bit of water, and I'm just gonna go and stir that in with a spoon. And then if you have too much water, just add a little bit more clay. That's what I do normally for face masks. You just stir that up. Okay, so this is what yours should look like. It's pretty much face mask ready. So we're just gonna take a little bit and apply. Oh wow, that's really, really cold. That is okay. I should have been expecting this because for some reason, okay, well, face masks are really cold, and it's just think they have heated face masks. Probably. Anyways, so just spread an even layer onto your face all over the place. That's pretty much what you do with face mask. Anyways, from the first time that I used this, like I explained earlier, it dries into this crackly dirt, and then you just wash it off. So I am going to apply this to the rest of my skin. Okay, I fully put it on, and I'm just going to go set my timer for 20 minutes. But remember, it might take a little bit longer because it has to dry. Also, do not get this in your hairline or your eyebrows, or your mouth, or your eyes, or your nose. Okay, so I set the timer for 20 minutes. If it takes less for you, then just go ahead and wash it off. If it takes more for you, then obviously wait and wash it off. While I am waiting for this face mask to dry, I just thought I would do this quick little question. What is your guys' favorite song? So comment that down below. I don't know if this song is my favorite, but it's one of the ones that I like. It is Let Me Down Slowly by Alec Benjamin. I'm just gonna tie up my hair for now, that way it's out of the way for when I wash the face mask off. You can either put your hair up or just wear a headband. I just decided to do this. Okay, while we're waiting for the face mask to dry, I'm gonna talk about our little special guest here. This is the let's see, traditional West African body wash. That's what it says. It's shea butter and neem. It says vanilla mint. It's for all skin types. And so it's every day. So I use this in the morning or at night. It says just to apply it and then like wash it off like most face washes. But I wanted to tell you that I did get this from Walmart. Also for my birthday, but I had already picked it out just like the face mask. So it was on my list. But this was $6, I believe, at Walmart. There is 5 minutes left on the timer. Okay, so my timer went off. It's dry, it just looks wet, so it's not all the way dry, but I have to go somewhere. So I need to do this. So just take a wet rag and wet it, and then just start washing it off. Now, a lot of it will fall on the floor, because that's what it does. But, yeah, just wash it off like that. When it gets wet, it starts falling off. So, yeah. I got that mostly off, but I gotta wipe the rest off with a different rag because that rag got covered in the clay. I wouldn't say it's the easiest thing to get off. It's not the worst because it kind of just wets and then turns back into its liquidy-ish pasty form. So I guess that's kind of good because then you can like, I don't know. But I am going to just wipe the rest of this off, which then means, oh, also, use like, don't like drop it. It gets everywhere, okay? The clay, it falls off your face. So I just did it over a towel. That way I could just pick up the towel and then throw that in the wash machine so that I didn't get it anywhere. So I would advise you to do that. That way you're not like getting it all over the place and then having to clean all of that up. So I'm just going to wipe everything off. Be right back. Okay, so now we have our little special guest that I mentioned a couple times earlier. So I'm just going to take one little squirt into the palm of my hand and then just rub your palms around like this and then pull it up and then you just put it on your face and it turns into the soap. Sometimes I leave it on because it like evaporates until it's clear and then you wash that off. But this time I'm just going to wash it off like this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with this. And just wash all this off with some warm water. Yeah. After you do all that, all you have to do is just dry it off your face. Okay, that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I love how my skin turned out. It's super soft. And it said it would take out all the oils and like clear skin. So I got both of those items, one from Walmart and one from the Vitamin Shop. The mask was $10 and the wash soap that I used was $6 from Walmart, and then the mask was from the Vitamin Shop. So I hope you liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe. Bye, chicken leg, and keep watching RJ Medley.